everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. All right, let me know if my sound's coming okay before we start our session here today. So, again, welcome to this live Facebook sessions. Okay, if you are here already, please tap 1. At least I know you are here together with me watching this video. So, my name is Zach from XIFU. Before I proceed further, just a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stocks that we discussed in this video here, make sure you got your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. So, like as for me, as always, I have my so-called trading plan in place. So whenever I do, I will always have my so-called stop loss, or maybe some of the so-called potential profit targets to monitor. Okay, if let's say things go wrong, I'll probably hit my targets. Okay, so today again, we're going to look into the overall market condition. Looks like still pretty good. Okay, I'm surprised. I thought that markets probably going to at least makes a 1, 2, or maybe 3 weeks of pullback, but looks like so far still good. Okay, again, I'm going to continue to monitor my pullback stocks from here. Oh, Pokon coming up. Okay, Pokon, like I said the other day, got COC. But we will check later on. So if you got any stock for me, you can type it over there as well. So we're going to look into some of the stocks that we monitor as always in our Telegram. Then from there, we go into a stock that we go into the pullback signal. Okay, I do see FFB coming back also. Let's see, is it moving up? Okay, a little bit only lah. Emulus. Okay, I just checking out my so-called pullback signal lah. Wow, this guy also damn good, I tell you. Emulus is so good. Okay, so okay, never mind later on So okay, now let's look into some of the stocks that we do discuss in our Telegram. Okay, so EMCC lah, one of the stocks that I think I cut already, but just I trigger my alerts. So let's say EMCC, but let's see how it's a closing today. Try a few times EMCC, but so far no luck again. So I think for EMCC, right, actually the other day it break the main support. This is the support that actually I wanted, and they dropped. Okay, but of course they dropped. It didn't come with a very high volume. It's average volume. Okay, like for example here, this is high volume for me. Okay, this candle. So it dropped with average volume. So normally when it drop with average volume, there are a few things. Okay, probably they are doing a shakeout. Okay, so most of the time they are doing shakeout. Like for example, I think I shared previously also in this area over here. But this shakeout over here, normally I'm not sure how long they'll be going to sideways. Okay, sometimes the shakeout will take weeks to months. All right, but of course today trying to go back up over here. Still early now. We are just the first 30 minutes of 6th of June. Okay, of course, I do hope we can see more volume coming in. Best is that they cross back this area over here. Okay, again, for those that who are still holding or still so-called interested in MCC, but for now, I skip already. I just look for the other stocks already. Okay, so there's EMCC. Now, how about Bangtel? Bangtel looks like yesterday slightly a bit weak. Okay, but I think so far it's still okay because the volume is low. The candle is still narrow. The body candle is still narrow. Today also looks like wanted to test again. So again, a main resistance somewhere around this area. This is the current S1, which is previously they also hit and drop back. Okay, hit and drop back. Okay, so this is the area that they need to build immediate support. Okay, for me. Okay, so this area here must hold. Okay, around 34 cents area. Hey, hello Ruku. Good morning. So for those who are here, just type A for me lah. At least I know you are here lah. Because sometimes talking alone in front, right, a bit lonely and boring. So good, to have communication. Okay, with you guys. Okay, I look into Kim Lun. Okay, sure, I'll do that. So okay, now this is the resistance that previously they try a few rounds and then now they try to go up here. Okay, hopefully here will hold and then slowly they heading into a resistance or break resistance. Okay. Hello, Roslan. Thank you for your support as always. So the other one is HE Group. Okay, this guy also doing pretty well. Hopefully this morning also. Okay, so this morning also, well, so far so good slow market, but no weakness. Okay, I think I kind of like the candle over these two candles over here. Even though yesterday closing slightly a bit disappointing, I thought you're going to close strongly around 66 or 67 cents area, but in the end it closed over around 64.5 cents. But okay lah, boleh lah, boleh lah. Sometimes we cannot always thought that it's gonna close wrongly, but as long as the candle moving forward is not climactic volume, I think it's still okay because like I said, I'm still holding half. At the moment, I got no reason to sell yet, so I just going to hold it first. Okay, for HE Group. How about the others? Okay, let me check. Yesterday we talked about what stocks. Yesterday we do look into a few counters. So we have SFP Tech. Okay, again, we just want to do a quick check against our stocks. Okay, SFP Tech also, nothing changed. Okay, if you still want it, I think it's still worth to monitor it. Okay, personally for me, I'm still interested. Okay, for S&P Tech, UMC. Oh, sorry, UMC. Okay, UMC yesterday also like form a hammer, today holding ball. Okay, again, nothing changed. Okay, as long as the price range is still within the S1 level, I think it's still worth to continue to monitor it. Okay, so there's UMC. So okay, looks like today mostly didn't change anything. The chart setups. CEKD. Oh, I missed out something. Okay, let me know. CEKD jalan yesterday. Okay, CEKD jalan. Okay, this one break resistance. This is a poker pure bar, like I said. Okay, shake out with poker pure bar. Yesterday up 3% saja. Okay, so okay lah. Not a big break yet. Okay, not a big break yet. Okay, so this is a beginning of a new trend, right? So here, reaccumulation. Okay, break high volume. Okay, yesterday they continue to go up with high volume also, right? So again, if you are those like low risk one, okay, like for me, I'm looking for lower risk. Okay, probably 52.5 cents. Okay, I think it's good area to focus. Okay, again, just say let's somewhere there. So sometimes set already, it come back and it hits, then we look into it. Okay, again, who knows? Okay, probably sometimes they will pull back again to test support before they wanted to break another resistance. Okay, so I think CKD, yes, both to look into it. But what actually they do? Actually, sometimes I also don't know what they do. CKD, let's check. Industrial product and services. Okay, manufacturing in cutting mold and trading related consumer tools, accessory, or paper and packaging industry. So I think they are more into like okay, UWC is their peers. Okay, UWC also long time didn't look into it. Oh, this one also, reversal will pull back, UWC. Okay, we got a reversal over here. Second pullback. Okay, second pullback. Okay, so this is a good one. Okay, so well, I think CEKD worth to monitor in this case. Okay, let's get into farm pack. Okay, some of the stocks that we looked into yesterday as well. Okay, Ceiling WCT, I will look into that. Okay, Rukuse Kimlun. Kimlun is always a boring counter. I remember years ago I traded before. Invest buy the whole tak jalan. But I don't know lately I didn't follow anymore. So okay, farm pack I think still the same as well. We have a reversal with a pullbacks. Okay, first pullback completed. I think so far so good. Okay, Wix Dynamic. Yesterday actually I tried Wix Dynamic. Okay, Wix Dynamic, but it didn't came to the price that I wanted. Okay, so I'm still thinking today I want to chase or not. Now this one a bit similar with just now what counters really. I think it's CEKD if I'm not mistaken. Right? They also break certain resistance. This is the next resistance they need to break, which is the current R1. Okay, so again for those that who are new to so-called technical analysis, probably you can use my support resistance to help you out. Okay, so this is the next resistance they need to break. So previously here we got some resistance. Now looks like they are turning to support. So that's why I actually aiming somewhere around this area. 42 is there, I mean 42, but too bad I didn't get the price that I wanted. Okay, so well, let's see how it goes today. Okay, any others? Kobe and Edaran. Okay, Kobe, let's do Kobe. Okay, Kobe also. Okay, boleh lah. Nothing changed actually for me. When I say nothing changed, which means the setup still good lah. So Edaran. Okay, Edaran MTech yesterday volume coming in already. So Edaran, this one also need a bit patient, but the setup is good. Okay, the setup is good. Now this one for me is a bit similar like MPHP Capital. Okay, if you got patient one, I think this one the risk to reward is pretty good. Okay, SS Chan also, I think Joel asking me also like previously I also monitored SS Chan, but I got no patient. Okay, for 3, 4, I think 4, 5 months already I've been sideways. Okay, so yeah lah. Okay, sometimes need patience on this kind of counters. Like I think I shared with you a lot of time. MPHP Capital also, hold for 2, 3 months. Then after that, so 2, 3 months, then they goes up. Okay, so this one same things. Okay, I think they got a very nice support area. Okay, I'm not sure whether they do another shakeout or not during the bear market later on. But you know, as long as they are still above gaps, I think they got chance. Okay, to make a further break from here. Okay, so well, if you like my live sections, as always, okay, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, please. Okay, so well, Darren, last one probably we'll look into MTech. Okay, MTech yesterday volume coming in already. Actually, I also thinking want to enter MTech or not. Okay, probably today I try MTech. Okay, Wix Dynamic yesterday I tried, didn't get. Okay, so today probably I will try too. Okay, MTech and Wix Dynamic. Okay, so of course, S1 area. Okay, now this is how you want to plan out your trades. So resistance, make resistance around here. So if you enter based on current price, your risk to reward is 1 against 2.3, which is pretty good. Okay, which is pretty good. Okay, but again, you have to check also like here to here, you get how many percent. Sometimes 2-3% doesn't make sense also. Unless you are FIFO traders, then I think okay. But for me, usually I will aim for the breakout one. Okay, I aim for at least got posted 8 to 10% for my first target profits. Okay, so probably you want to calculate that out. Maybe I'll aim somewhere around the 20-day, 20 MA area, which is somewhere around here. I think 1.35 should be a good area to look into. Okay, not doing any buy and sell call. I just want to share with you how you should plan my trades. So at least I know that, okay, first of all, my risk reward is good. Second is very close to my S1. Okay, anything that happen, I can trouble quickly without a big damage. Okay, or maybe S2. Okay, or maybe S2. Okay, so well, that's a quick one for me. Okay, now probably I look into some of the counters, then we look into my pullback signal. I think my pullback signal today is pretty interesting. So okay, now let's into Kim Lun. Oh, okay. Yeah, like I said, I didn't follow Kim Lun for some time. I didn't know they actually jalan a lot. Okay, so far, if I can see, right, this one pullback complete yesterday. Okay, Ruku. Oh yeah, I think Ruku, you asked me also. I cannot recall who asked me Kim Lun. I think this chart very familiar. But like I said, I really follow already like Kim Lun. Okay, so here, yesterday volume is good. Okay, so for me, this is pullback complete. Okay, today kind of similar at MTech, narrow bar below volume, but of course now it's only the first trading hour. But as long as for me, they are supporting somewhere around this candle or maybe S1, the trade setup is still solid. Okay, still valid. Okay, which means the pullback is still valid. Probably sometimes, you know, it will come here, retest, then it goes up. Okay, so sometimes it will happen during the so-called a weaker market, okay, in Bursa. So, okay, let's look into ceiling. Ceiling yesterday pullback, okay, lower volume. Wow, today so far jalan already. So, John, I'm not sure the purpose you're asking. You're looking for entry exit. Entry wise, of course, your risk is a bit high already. If let's say you're looking for exit, at the moment I don't see any weakness. Okay, usually for trending stocks, best you use hourly chart. Okay, if not, let's see weekly lah. If let's say got any resistance on the left hand side or not. So left hand side over here, they crossed today. Okay, I think they crossed today. So this is the previous so-called resistance level around 32 cents area. They crossed already. Okay, so probably the next one will be 47 cents area. Okay, somewhere around here. This area over here. Okay, that's assuming you're looking for long-term targets. Okay, that's assuming you're looking into long-term targets. Okay, so if I look into daily chart again, I don't see any weakness at the moment. All right, so if you already entered, yeah, I think you still can hold. Okay, but of course, for me, I will always take partial profits. Okay, at the moment, no weakness. What I'm trying to say here. Okay, unless because now it's still the first trading hour, I'm not sure what happened today, right? Unless later on towards the afternoons, right, this guy close lower, or maybe end of the day, this guy close lower. It cannot break the 32 cents level. Then you know that, okay, the big pullback might happen soon before they want to try again. All right. So if let's say you see something like shooting star, okay, everyone here knows shooting star, right? If you know about shooting star, you type SS, okay, shooting star. If you know about shooting star, you type SS. Okay, if you don't know, you type X. So I know that you know shooting star or don't know shooting star. So okay, now if this area over here, it do have shooting star today, assuming later around 4 or 5 p.m. closing. Okay, so probably it's a good area. You want to lock a little bit of profits, okay, because maybe the pullback happens, okay, because of the previous resistance. Okay, thank you, Roslan. Okay, and I say SNS, okay, SNS, YTL, and YTL power. Okay, I'll look into that. Okay. Okay, found packs tak dapat lagi, still can kill. Just now I check, still boleh lah. Okay, still boleh. Setup is still there. Setup is still there. Okay, for found pack. So okay, now let's look into WCT. WCT also break the current resistance. Today still going up. Okay, so again, not sure the purpose of asking. Yeah, looking for entry exit. Okay, let's say looking for exit. Next resistance, weekly resistance somewhere around here, 69 cents. Okay, probably can check that out. Okay, let's go back to daily so that I know that, you know, the upcoming resistance. Okay, so if you already enter, I think yeah lah. Same things, I don't see any weakness at the moment. Okay, they just break above this reaccumulation, retest, goes up. Okay, so probably around here you want to monitor for potential shooting star. Okay, moving forwards. Okay, so that's WCT. Let's do into SNS. Wow, my pullback stock really got a lot of stocks today. Some of them very interesting one. Okay, we will check later on. Okay, now SNS. Okay, they are still doing pullbacks. Okay, they are still doing pullback. Okay, now this one right. Okay, if you want to trade, I think okay. Setup still good. Okay, but don't have too much expectation like here. Okay, like here. Okay, here to here, this is around 30 cents to 60 over cents. This is more 100 over percent already. So first of all, this stock's already jalan for some times. Okay, and the trend, everything's still good actually. If you ask me, the trend, everything is still good. I don't see any like, you know, major weakness at the top, but trend sometimes will be exhausted as well because this is the first, second, third pullbacks already. Okay, of course, sometimes they will still break higher, like those crazy YTL power, they will still break up higher. But what I'm trying to say is that if you enter this trade, okay, first of all, you must expect for them to maybe it will still keep trying sideways, test support several times before goes up. Okay, they cannot really, you know, fly, you know, 45 degree all the time. Okay, it kind of similar like what happened to, I think just now one of the member asked McLean, right, in Telegrams. Right, so this is also same things from here to here. Okay, from here to here, this is how much 15 cents to 35 cents. Okay, so this is more than 100% already. So this is first pullback, second pullback, heading to third pullback. Now seems like they are a bit weakening. Okay, so I don't think they will drop, okay, because I don't see any major weakness over here, but sometimes they will like this sideways boring for 1-2 months before they jalan again. All right, so that's, I think, what will something that I think as a SNS investor, okay, should expect. I think like Rosan also asking about MSM. Okay, MSM, same things, goes up for sometimes already, doing several pullbacks. So yes, the trend is exhausted. So I think that is pretty normal. So YTL, okay, YTL recently got some high volume coming in. I think, yep, trend also exhausted already. Okay, now not sure, Anna, you're looking for entry exit. Again, you didn't comment on that, right? So okay, now this is a hammer candle. Use that as support. Okay, if you are looking for entry opportunities. Okay, right now at 20 MA, I think okay, right? But if let's say break below here or even break 40 MA, must be careful a bit. Okay, probably because a deep pullback might happen soon. Okay, for this, but volume, everything still healthy volume, everything still healthy. So YTL power. Okay, I think YTL power same one jalan, one show jalan one. So same things. Okay, so here also you can use my S1 level to monitor. Okay, they're exactly at support right now. Then the other one is S2 level. Okay, you can check that out. Okay, so this is your immediate support level that you should pay attention to. Of course, you do have gap down with high volume. Okay, but so far they are still holding well, right? So I think still worth to monitor. Okay, worth to monitor. But let's say break 40 MA with high volume again, then slightly a bit dangerous, or maybe trend is weakening. Okay, so for example, like here, break 40 MA, right? Volume increasing. So here you notice that they will sideways for 1 month, 2 months before they goes up again. Okay, probably same things will happen too. So okay, there's YTI and YTR power. Let's look into some of my pullback stocks. Okay, then if let's say there's no further questions, we will end our section today. Okay, so today market still good lah. Continue to monitor some of your favorite stock. I will monitor mine. Like I think Big Star Dynamic, I will still look into it. MTech, I think I will go for MTech more lah. I'm not sure. So okay, now Massing. Let's into Massing. Okay. Massing a bit climatic. Okay. Now another things that I like, right? Okay, if you notice my indicator bottom here, I just added today only. Okay, so this is one way that I'm using. Okay. Again, different trader, different style. I'm not sure what is your style. My style is always a bit stingy one, which means I look for low risk opportunities. So what I do is that whenever this guy turns green, okay, which means it's a bullish trend, okay, which is uptrend, okay, which is uptrend, okay. So if I go back to a previous chart here, you notice all this red is downtrend, no? Okay. So let's say I got more green, is downtrend. Okay, sorry, it's uptrend. Okay, so this is how you read it. So normally what I do is that I will actually look for this area here. Okay, I will actually look for this area here. Okay, you all can see, right? Where actually the green, okay, the green, still in green zone. Okay, they are still in green zone. I put it G, Z. Okay, they are still in green zone. But the bar, okay, is very low, which means they are actually very close with support. Okay, another way you can use that, if let's say you don't know, hey, exact where is support, where is resistance, you can use this method. Okay, now if let's say over here, which means they are trending already, they are far from support. So this one you cannot buy and keep hold. Okay, don't want to see. Okay, it's a bit risky because sometimes the pullback will happen. All right, so personally for me, I like here, this area over here. Okay, where the green bar actually started to getting low already. Okay, but they are still above the green zone. Okay, so from here, you wanted to see sign of strength. Okay, so what I do is that I combine so-called this structure here with strength signal. Okay, so from here, I will check whether got COC or not, got pullback or not. Then from there, I plan out my entry. Okay, so well, understand type 1, if not type 2. Okay, if understand type 1, you know type 2. Okay, now this indicator actually is based on Elliott wave. Okay, actually available in X chart. Okay, so you can actually access it to use it. All right, so one example, let's see MTech I'm looking into it right now. MTech. Okay, so MTech, if you notice, that's why at the time when I mentioned about MTech, if you remember, it's somewhere around here. Okay, exactly at this level. So your risk is very low and you got a chance to move up. Okay, now it's getting lower again. Okay, now it's getting lower again. So which is, I think that they are close with support. Of course, sometimes it will break down it break down, which means habis you trouble But normally what I do is that I don't really want to enter when the stock is at the peak. Okay, which is above 0.2 level. Okay, hopefully you can see that it's a bit small I know. Okay, so which means around this level here, it's not that it's not good. Okay, if let's say market continue to bullish, it still goes up, but careful on the pullback low. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so any stocks that are doing pullback one, let's try let's do into Edaran. Okay, let's do into Edaran. Okay, similar Edaran. Okay, so here also. Okay, this is a bit climatic already. They drop. Okay, sometimes turns to red, then back to green. Bull and bear is fighting. Now recently green. Okay, now recently green. Okay, so hope that this level here will hold. Okay, and you know that this is very close to support. Okay, this is very close to support. Okay, so this is usually how I use the green zone to help me out to check is this a good area for me to focus or not. Okay, so hope you all understand this one. Okay, Any stocks are okay? Yeah, just now I'm looking into my pullback. Okay, so let's look into Malakoff. Okay, Malakoff also started to show trending already. Okay, notice here trending pullback. Okay, so maybe I'm not sure you want to go for momentum. Okay, you can check that out. Okay, so Swift. Okay, Swift's coming back also. Wow, today also try R1 already. VS Tech. VS Tech I didn't muscle lah because I muscle SKP resources already. So VS Tech I just avoid lah. Okay, but both of them actually pretty good also. Okay, so here again same thing. So you should focus this area, low risk area with pullbacks. Okay, KGB. Wow, continue goes up. Okay, this one very nice also. Okay, this one no need to comment. The trend, everything's still nice and healthy. No need to comment much. Okay, Naim okay. Ecover. Ecover very close to support. Okay, Ecover very close to support. Of course, like I said, goes up. Okay, pull back. Okay, this area. Okay, again, this area here, you want to check. Ada pullback tak, ada shakeout tak, ada COC tak. Okay, you have to combine with sound strength to further enhance your decisions making. So from here, okay, I'm not sure. It looks like it's gonna form COC. Tomorrow is Friday. I don't know. Probably you can wait for another day. Okay, if let's say tomorrow form a COC, then I think worth to look into it. Okay, so well, this is how I use it. Okay, for me right now still okay lah. Still very close with support based on the green zone area. So okay, Ulicrop basically pullback completed. Try to close out the gap as well, but this one a bit trending also. Okay, Pokong. Okay, Pokong, same things here, pullback areas. Okay, here got COC already. Okay, the green bar also getting lower. Okay, which means that they are very close with support also. Okay, Inari. Okay, Inari is the volume not too bad. Okay. Ocean Cash jalan lagi. Ocean Cash. Okay lah, Ocean Cash jalan lagi. Gaining momentum lah. You see here, right? Turning up already lah. Okay, turning up already. So I'm not sure lah. Probably you can do a quick one, aim for R1 if you want to. But of course, like I said, always the lower risk one is when the green bar getting lower. You enter, you wait, but you must combine with sound strength. Okay, so probably last one, I'll take up some questions from here. Let's do QES. Okay, QES. QES yesterday hit R1. Okay, today goes up. Okay, this one a bit tricky already lah. But again, you have to wait until probably 3 or 4 p.m. to decide. Okay, normally this is what I do lah, Tommy. But Tommy, you let me know you are looking for entry exit first. Okay, if you are looking for entry, definitely risk reward is not the idea anymore. Because they are at the resistance right now, but doesn't mean they cannot go up. Okay, now a few things to look into today because this one is trying to cross resistance, but if let's say today got shooting star, because now it's the first trading hour. Okay, now it's the first trading hour, which I think the volume consider high. Okay, volume consider high. If let's say they close with a shooting star today, I think this one a bit challenge to goes up further. Okay, they can go up further, but probably they will like zigzag before goes up. Okay, so if let's say they at least close above this R1, then I think still okay. So around 3-4 p.m. you see lah. Oh, looking for entry Why R1 only look for entry You should look for entry somewhere around here lah. Okay, again somewhere around here lah. Like how we do for MTech lah, HE group lah, right? Okay, or maybe the 20 MA area also good lah. What's the bottom indicator called? This is Elliott wave indicators. Okay, but the full name I don't know because this is actually developed by our in-house. Okay, I'll check for you. But I find it very interesting because yesterday actually I tried to study a few indicators. I feel that wow, this one is pretty good to determine where is the so-called support. But like I said, not only use that for entry, you use it to check got strength signal or not. Okay, or maybe somewhere around this area, then you have to ask yourself whether you want to enter or not this area. Okay, because it's a bit far from support, there is a risk the stock will pull back. Okay, there's a risk the stock will pull back. Okay, I try to find something somewhere around here lah. Of course, I said I like to enter somewhere around here. Sometimes this is, but sometimes this one need to wait for 2 or 3 weeks lah. Like HU Group, we need to wait for 1-2 weeks right before it jalan. Okay, but sometimes it's worth to look into this also. All right, so if you are told me if you are looking for entry, yeah, too bad now it's R1 already. But if you think that you enter this area here, cut loss S1, you can take it, still can go for it. Okay, still can, because this one is uptrending stocks. And at the moment, I don't see any major weakness. But you don't ask me whether it got pullback or not. That's why I don't know one. I'm not operator. Sometimes difficult to tell. Okay, any other stocks? IT Max. Okay, yes, IT Max break the resistance. Am I right? Oh, yesterday still didn't cross, but this one's considered cross already. This is the one that is not trending yet. This is the one that is not trending yet. Okay, if you look into here, the green bar is still very low. Okay, here is high ma. Okay, here is low. So now it's actually testing S1. Okay, so sorry, testing this is below resistance. Okay, turning to support already. Okay, so I think IT Max still got plenty of offer. Okay, of course now this is all-time high lah. TP I really don't know. Normally for all-time high, I won't, because all-time high I don't have things to refer on the left-hand side, the resistance. Okay, so what I do is that I monitor for climatic volume. Okay, if not something like this, so shooting star or down bar high volume. Okay, so there's a signal to tell you that you have to lock some profit and be prepared. Okay, but at the moment you ask me, this is like a beginning of the new trend, so I cannot tell you the DP yet. Or maybe you can refer to the R2. Okay, so this is the answer in okay, any other stocks? Any other stock that I missed out? I want to look for something that is very close to the green zone so we can find something that is safe. Okay, interesting. Okay, I think Infotech also turning to red a little bit, but it's not a big rate. Okay, wait for them to match to green. I think still got a chance for this. Infotech. Any others? Dufu. Zantat, I forgot. Okay, 2 more before I close. Okay, these 2 I always forgot to follow one because lately it's got too many stocks already. Okay, Zantat and Panda. Oh, but Zantat yesterday closing not good, not nice. Okay, but one thing for sure, they are still in green zone. Now slowly coming down. Okay, so here again, a good area to focus strength. Okay, you know what's the strength so hammer, COC. Hammer, COC or upper high volume to confirm the pullbacks complete. Okay, so this one I think, yeah, still good to monitor. Then the other one is Panda. Okay, Panda still considered trending. They haven't really retested the lower support yet. Okay, this one still can focus on monitor. Overall trend is still good for Panda. Okay. Any others? Any others that I missed out? SKP Resources, Hershey Group, Tasco. Okay, this morning I think of TAS, right? TAS, TAS Offshore. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, so here gaps as support. Okay, hold while on 40 MA, and now this one pull back at the top here, no much weakness. Okay, here getting lower. This is the area that you want to focus strength. Okay, this is the area of focus strength. Okay, because there's support strength, your risk is low. This one still offer you 2.5. Okay, so which means you risk 1, you get 2.5 risk to ratio, still pretty good. Okay, for TAS Offshore. Okay, again, not doing any buy call. Just want to share with you what is trading plan. Okay, and how you want to use that. Okay, so okay, last one. This is for KC Systech. Systech also I'm still holding. A bit boring already at the moment. Okay, because I think there's some news. The other day I think it's a bonus issue. Am I right? If I can recall correctly. Okay, so anyway, but I think the setup is still same. Okay, they have a shakeout here. Okay, bonus issue, they actually push the price down, but yeah, it hammers up back again. Okay, this is like a nice wash. Of course, I do hope to see close gap. Okay, if close gap, I think still good. But still good, actually still good. Okay, as long as they are above this hammer, right, I think still good. But just that looks like turning into a bit boring already. Okay, for System. Okay, so let's look into weekly chart. Yeah, weekly chart nothing much also. Still okay lah overall. So daily chart wise, okay lah. Just that need to wait lor. Need to wait lor. So this is the next resistance Okay, hopefully soon there will close gap, retest. Okay, close gap and retest. All right, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section here today. Like I say, if you are first time watching this video here or my live section, you can actually join our Telegram for more discussions. If you, of course, I do appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for these live sections. Help me to share this out, okay, so that we have more viewers moving forwards. Okay, with this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow because tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, 2 more sections. Thank you.